Commitment to you today in the presence of our Lord and before all of these witnesses to love you with an unconditional love. I will honor, support, comfort, and protect you. I will be faithful to you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. I love you beyond all measure. Trust me when I say there's no other person I would rather eat yakiniku with. I will live with you in an understanding way, being thoughtful of your needs. Dahil alam ko naman madami kang needs. I will honor you as a fellow heir of God's grace. I commit to fulfill God's plan for my life, to providing loving leadership and spiritual covering for you and our children.
Dear Ray, on this day, my heart speaks to you. Knowing that it is God's will for me to marry you, I make a commitment to you today. I commit to submit to you, love you with the same love Christ has shown us. I will honor you, serve you, and lift you up in all seasons of life. I will choose you every day, even on the days when it's hard. Lalo na kapag magkalayo tayo, palagi kitang aantayin hanggang makauwi ka sa amin. I know LDR is hard, but not having you in my life is harder. I will not hinder you, but inspire you and encourage you as the head of our household.
To my son and daughter, I promise to be the best daddy I could be, who would love and protect y'all, but most importantly, who will help raise you both to be God-fearing children. I wholeheartedly dedicate myself in leading you as we advance God's kingdom, faithfully serving until the glorious return of Jesus Christ. I thank God for using you as the safest place for me to become a man that I never thought I could be. May God continue to write His love story for us as we embark on this new chapter. Mahal na mahal kita.
Bia and Lucas and I are blessed to have you. Thank you for loving and taking care of us. We promise to cheer you in every game and love you as your lifetime family. From my bebe to husband, I truly thank God for giving me the right one. I love you so much, Bobby Ray Parks. Mahal na mahal kita. Arat na sa habang buhay.